this is Sandesh Kumar from class 10th A तुलसी। मैं आज आप सभी के सामने जो है एक प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जो कि है बेसिक्स अबाउट नागालैंड एंड मणिपुर। मैं नागालैंड और मणिपुर के ऊपर एक प्रेजेंटेशन देने जा रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं आपको कुछ बेसिक्स के ऊपर उनको कंपेयर भी करके दिखाऊंगा। साथ ही मैं उनकी कुछ जो ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटीज़ है वो भी दिखाऊंगा, प्लस उनके कल्चर के बारे में भी थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत करूंगा। तो प्रेजेंटेशन को लास्ट तक देखिए। ये व्हाट्सअप गाइस, दिस इज संदेश कुमार एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद माय प्रेजेंटेशन। एट द फर्स्ट, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें पॉपुलेशन ऑफ नागालैंड में मैंने दो ग्राफ्स, एक पाई चार्ट और एक पिरामिड दिया है। पिरामिड में बता रहा है डेट पॉपुलेशन क्या, और पाई चार्ट में बताया गया है डेट उसमें अर्बन लोग कितने हैं और रूरल एरिया में रहने वाले लोग कितने हैं। यहीं आप दूसरी स्लाइड में देखें तो बेसिक्स अबाउट मणिपुर, इसमें भी पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड में बताया जा रहा है डेट नागालैंड और मणिपुर के अंदर पॉपुलेशन कितनी कितनी है। हम पहले कंटेंट्स पे नज़र डालते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कंटेंट्स। वी विल सी नागालैंड एंड मणिपुर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फर्स्ट आर्किटेक्चर, आई प्रोवाइडेड द पिक्चर। Second, bamboo work. Here I provided the picture of bamboo work. Third and last, pottery, which is this. We will discuss and compare these both on this. Let's begin with it. Firstly, we should know that where Manipur and Nagaland is situated on India or a part of India. I provided some monuments of which are famous for Nagaland and Manipur. Let's start with the introduction. What is the Art Integrated? What does this project mean? Art Integrated Learning AIL is a framework of experiential learning which provides an equitable learning environment for all learners through their own access points. Let's move to next slide. Architecture. Let's discuss about it more. Here I provided some pictures in which you can see towers, buildings and much more, which defines the definition of architecture and what architecture actually means. It defines all. Let's start with the definition. What type of maths is used in architecture? Let's discuss about it. Generally, geometry, algebra and trigonometry all play a crucial role in architectural design. Architects apply these math forms to plan their blueprints or initial sketch designs to make an architecture or the sketch of a building or any monument. As we can see that in Manipur and Nagaland, they provided their own architecture and they used their own architecture to form them. Here I provided in between many pictures from which you can understand better. Let's move on next slide. The Sema architecture from Nagaland and Manipur. Now what is the Sema architecture? Let's see about it. Nagaland people are so connected with the nature from birth to the end of the beautiful life they live with forests, mountains and animals. They always live a happy life with the nature. Even the house they build is completely of natural in the type of vernacular architecture. They use bamboos, timber, thatch to build houses. The Sema architecture is only followed in the state of Nagaland and some places of Assam and Myanmar. Let's see some pictures which are related to the Sema architecture. Here are some pictures. You can see this house, these two houses which are made using Sema architecture. Now in the next slide, let's see more about it. Here we are seeing the two diagrams. These two diagrams state that how this architectural design they use to do about it. Built in the shape with a broader beginning and lesser end, high rooftop in the entrance is the approached method by the Naga tribes. Sloping roof made of thatch helps them to keep the warm inside the house to beat the cold and also helps them in rainy season by allowing the water to flow rather than staying in the roof. They use this technique so that the water is not collected on the rooftop and it slides downside and goes inside the earth. Let's see in the next slide. I provided a diagram. So they generally use this technique in the winters and the summer. As cold is very common thing in hill regions, the Naga peoples used to place the cooking fire in the center of the house. To keep the house warm all the time, how can they think such a artistic and also advanced with the resources available with their means? They are having the limited resources, but they are planning something big from that limited resources, which makes us proud about it. And in the next slides we will see much more in it. So surely you understand what is the architecture of Nagaland and Manipur. Now the bamboo work of Nagaland and Manipur, let's discuss about it. So I provided some picture in which the bamboo is there. Now let's see what type of mats is used in bamboo work. So bamboo mats is divided into 3 learning modules: number sense, counting place values, number patterns, operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, word and number problems, and measurement, time and money, linear volume, money, calendar, time. So generally they use these type of methods to do the bamboo work. Here I provided a figure 2 which states how do they actually decide it. So in this figure, as you can see, the piece of bamboo is measured with these formulas and applied. So now let's see in the next slide more about bamboo work in Nagaland and Manipur. The Naga people have survived through the centuries with the diverse and varied uses of bamboo and its products, as we all know, and the history tells about it. Now let's see the next point. So from the cutting of the umbilical cord to the mats that have wrapped the dead of burial, bamboo has been integral to the life of the Nagas, as we all know, and also in the internet too it's defined. Now third point, it is used as construction materials in many ways. So they use the bamboo not only as their creativity, as a construction materials too. So here I provided these pictures, 3 pictures, in which you can see the equipments made from the bamboo, and it's really so good. Now let's move to the next slide. So the growing stock of bamboo been estimated to the around 8.96 million hectares of in the country, out of which about 5% of the growing stock is assessed to be available in Nagaland, which work out to be about 0.448 million HA or 4,48,000 HA. So now next, the predominant craft. So from this we can understand that how talented they are, and I have provided some pictures too, like bamboo baskets and much equipments, and in this picture you can see how they are making and manufacturing these items with bamboo. Now let's move on the next slide, which is a pottery. Now what is pottery? So simply making vessels or the equipments using sand like pots. This is known as pottery, and I have provided some images from the internet here. Now let's discuss more about pottery. So what type of maths is used in the pottery? Because without mathematics nothing is possible. So first, there are 3 main types of pottery: ceramic, these are earthenware, stoneware and porcelain. There is used volume, trigonometry and surface area. So this technique is used, and I provide 3 diagrams which state these 2 points. As you can see, I provided the cube one and all. Now let's move on next. Pottery in Nagaland and Manipur. Let's discuss this about in detail. So pottery was known to the early Nagas and was mostly done by the women folk. The pots made were generally very simple, and importance was given to its functional value rather than aesthetics. Tismanu and Ungama village were well known, and this whole states that the women of Nagaland and Manipur are too talented that they can make everything in a great manner, as we can see in this, that how cool they are. Now let's move to next slide to see more. And here I provided one picture too. Small Khiamungan earthen pottery pot from Nagaland, NE India, approximately 5x 5.5. Surface has striations made from the wooden pottery making paddle. Very good condition for its age, which is estimated late 20th century. Hope you all enjoy the presentation and surely you get it all the things that I explained. Thank you so much, ma'am, and all my friends for seeing this presentation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.
भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ।